Hey guys, so today I am going to be making slime, and this is food coloring. So this girl I just watched, and probably not supposed to be saying this, but this girl I watched, she said, I will be needing this, but she had 2 spoons, and you will be needing glue, but this is my way of making it. So first you want to have borax, then you want to have some water, and you want to have clear glue, and you want to have 3 bowls. Here's my other slime I made. You probably can't see it. It just looks like water. I could show it to you after the video. So what you will be needing, you will be needing a Ziploc bag. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna get one more plastic bowl. I'm just gonna get one. So like this bowl right here. Make sure you don't add that much glue because mine turned out very bad. But this time I'm going to try my best to do it. See, here's some of my slime. Ooh, so stretchy. But not that stretchy, so. It's kind of jiggly. Okay, so first you want to take one of your spoons. And you want to take your borax. And then you want to take it, scoop it out, and voila. You have borax. And then you want to pour it in your bowl. And make sure you smash the chunks. And then you want to spread it out evenly. Spread it out evenly. If it doesn't turn out well, I can show you step by step, but this is kind of by steps, skipping a little steps. I'm gonna get some of the borax off my spoon. Okay, so now that I have it on, I just want to pour about halfway. And then hold it. And then you want to stir. And then she said, make sure you have all the big chunks, but yeah. If you hear that back in the background, it's my brother. Okay, so now I actually want to stir it. Make sure there's no huge chunks in there. Or no chunks at all. Make sure it's just plain flat powder. If there are chunks, it's okay. It might be little balls of borax. Okay, so now that I have that done.
Girl, are you doing a video?
That's my brother. So there I have my borax, and I'm just gonna slip that to the side. So now.
Well, there's not many Pop-Tarts left.
I'm gonna just pour my slime in there. Woo! I'm scared this might come out.
What's my Costco experience like? It's like a well-oiled machine. They approach everything.
It's like sticking.
Accuracy and
Don't you see that?
even my kids involved. I call them
Okay,
nice.
so now I'm getting that off.
We got a plan.
There.
What are you doing, girl? Did you ask anybody if you could do that?
It's slime.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Girl.
Slime mom. Okay, so here's my slime. Here. Okay. My slime. So now I'm gonna put that over there. I have my other bowl. So now I'm gonna take this bowl and get my glue and then just put it in there.
We have to escape from school. Alright, dude. Who's this guy?
Did you run out of glue?
Teacher? Alright, Chase, come on.
No.
I'm gonna lead you. We're gonna go.
Okay.
Classroom. We gotta escape. Oh, wait, that's outside. That's where the kids be, Chase. Where? We can't get out the door. Oh, man. So, how about in this classroom? Oh, computer class. Maybe I can look up instructions
Okay,
online.
so now my bottle of glue is empty. I'm gonna take all my water. No, not all of it, but just some of it. And fill it to make sure it's all around with the glue. Now I only have a little bit left.
How to escape school. Alright, YouTube's no good. What about Google? Desktop, Roblox, YouTube, Google.
Okay, so now I have
Places to go on the computer.
your glue might be shitty. Okay, so now that I have that on,
Look up instructions
you
online.
wanna
Stir.
stir.
Keep it out there.
And watch the works there. I'm gonna do a little different.
On YouTube. Okay. We need to search
I'm just
for
gonna put
how to escape
one
school. Alright, YouTube's no good.
drop.
What about Google? Desktop, Roblox, YouTube.
Okay, now I'm just gonna stir it in.
Places to go on the computer.
So
Let's be specific.
let's make sure.
YouTube, right?
You want to put like 2 evenly little drops in there. So, and it can be like blue as you stir. It's like cool.
You found a book. Okay, fine. Let's go find somewhere that's hidden. Let's get
Okay, I might have a little bit of glue. Now I'm gonna take my borax with water in it and just like put it in there. I want it to evenly look at now. Now I just have blue glue.
to the store. Get the new outfit. Alright, let's go. You're mad. Why are you mad? Well, let's try it. What? Wait, you can't get out to the courtyard? What does that mean? If you're mad, you get to like press something?
Now that I have this one, there might be a little white in there.
That's cool. Wait.
Okay, so now that
Help me.
Okay, so there's my big blob of goo. It looks like a brain. But I have all my water scalloped up in there. It's all with this. There's all my water. It's right here. Okay, so now that I have this glue, I can take it and just make some of the water go into that way. Okay, so there we go. Just want to add, you can add more glue, but I'm out of glue. I have more water. Okay, so that you have fun glue to stay with and it's not sticky. So this is a perfect playable glue. Ooh, and tearing apart glue. You can like let it dry, but it will mold into everything you want it to be. So there's your glue slime. And a ball. Okay, so you can make a ball out of this. You will just need, not foil, but wrapping, see-through wrapping. And when you go like that, it vibrates. It's so good. Okay, so now that I have my ball of slime, what you want to do is to leave a little bit of slime in your bowl. So,
I can make him dab!
well,
I can make him dab! Cool! I'm making him dab! Lean and dab. Lean and dab. Lean and dab.
he's not there. Okay, so now I have you can pull very lightly. But it won't stretch that far. It will just be fun to throw. And it might stick onto your wall, so be careful.
I wanna be a baby!
That'd be so fun if you like had slime powers. Tell me what kind of powers would you have down below.
Yes!
Tell me. How would you want to make your slime? Just tell me what you want to me. What color slime do you want me to make next?
Oh.
Okay, so here's my other slime. Tell me what's different. Okay, so now I have it. Oh, now it looks like a galaxy. Two blues mixed together like an ocean. You can actually like use this for a project. See how it's like it goes into dark blue. And I have that done. And I have that on there. It's so jiggly. It's a big slime ball. All you have to do to make a big slime ball is just make 2 packs of slime. That's pretty easy, and then just roll it up into a ball and make any shape you want. It's fun to play with. Thanks for watching. Bye.